Hey guys, very good morning. Fabio here. Hope you're all doing well. So welcome to today's new market outlook. And yeah, let's see if the dollar pairs are going to be giving us any opportunities today and where the dollar is heading next. So to begin with, of course, the dollar has been finding support at my support level of 92.468. And yeah, yesterday we saw a fake out upon it, however not a strong bullish close. After that, another bullish close, but then a bearish close. And now once again, it does seem we are flipping bullish. So currently we are just stuck within this area of consolidation, expecting a big move soon. Could be today, could be on Monday, but yeah, for now, just not much on the charts to be said. Looking at what levels we have to be looking out for, I will be looking at 92.322 still. And of course, towards the upside, 92.777. Let's say we do move up higher, a very strong area of resistance will still be 92.953. So yeah, not much to be said. I'm still expecting that we could see another drive up to just complete that ascending channel and to then see a further push back down in towards the lows. So yeah, that's that for the dollar. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar is still stuck within this descending wedge. Aussie dollar just missed my level, as you guys can see over here, 0.73490, which is a pity, but yeah, it is what it is. Not much to be said further on this pair. Still squeezing in towards lows, very messy at the moment. Not really a fan of it, and yeah, not really planning on taking any trades on it. Diving in towards the 1 hour. 1 hour is also not looking that interesting for me. Let's say we do see a pullback back up in towards the highs today. I would be looking for a potential short from this region over here. Hopefully then also a spike in towards the highs to then dump further down in towards the lows, as this is an area of supply on the 1 hour time frame. Then going in towards the daily time frame, the daily time frame is also still looking good for a further push down in towards lows, as you guys know. So yeah, for me, it's still, or I am still favoring a further push in towards the lows for Aussie dollar. So yeah, that's that for Aussie dollar. Let's head over to our next pair, which is Euro dollar. And Euro dollar, guys. So looking at the 4 hour on Euro dollar, not much to be said, just consolidating over here, kind of in a symmetrical triangle pattern. So yeah, for now, still just waiting for this lower level to get hit, 1.17896 for potential longs and potential shorts from 1.18512. With 1.18754 being the stronger level of the two resistance levels. So yeah, not much to be said still. Looking at the daily, we still haven't reached the 618 daily fib, as you guys know, which is located within this zone over here, which I would love to see get hit. So therefore, it's still just going to be waiting for more downside on Euro dollar and therefore more upside on the dollar index. So with that said, let's head over to our next pair, which is pound dollar. And pound dollar, guys. So pound dollar still hasn't reached my level. As we can see, every time we kind of move towards it, we then see rejection. So let's see if we do hit it today. I will be looking for potential shorts during the New York session. 1.38664 is that major level. Let's say we do start moving down lower. I will be looking for longs only from 1.37612. So yeah, that is it. To be honest, just a waiting game, waiting for that retest of the wedge alongside this Fibonacci setup with the 618 aligning perfectly with my 1.38664 level. Therefore, just going to be waiting for shorts. Looking at the overall market structure, not much to be said. Still just finding resistance within these basing candles. So what do I mean with basing candles? Well, as we can see over here, if we look to the left, can see that there is a lot of clogged up price action, and this clogged up price action is causing price to reject from these levels. Therefore, still waiting for further rejection in towards the lows, gain some more momentum before potentially heading up higher in the future. So yeah, that's that for pound dollar. Let's over to our last pair, which is Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, guys. So Kiwi dollar still just consolidating within this massive range, as we can see over here. Finding support at my level of 0.70872. For now, not expecting much from this pair. Would still love us to move up higher in towards that level of 0.71702 at least, and then of course in towards that gray zone, which is an area of supply within the market. Create that double top on the daily time frame to then see a further push back down in towards zone 1 over here. So yeah, pretty simple what I'm waiting for. Still just waiting for more downside from Kiwi dollar. But yeah, as you guys can see, it is kind of impossible to take a trade on this pair for the moment. A lot of people will of course be shorting over here, as this is a 618 fib setup or 786 fib setup. However, I do not trade these kind of pairs or this kind of price action when we are simply just consolidating within the market. So yeah, that's it from my side. Just going to be waiting for a push up higher, then potentially form a pattern in towards, let's say, the highs, to then take a short back down lower. So yeah, that's that. Let's head over to our last pair, which is gold, of course. And gold. So gold yesterday evening, or let's say night, rejected my level over here of 17.9925. So yeah, guys, this is exactly the reason why I do not trade outside of my time zone or outside of my session, because once, if I were to take a trade, let's say from over here, excuse me, wrong button. If I were to take a trade from over here, put my stop loss, let's say over here, of course I would be like 1% in profit. However, I would have wanted to hold this trade all the way back up in towards the highs. However, the danger of trading outside of your session is that you can experience these kind of price movements. So I know what the win rate is of my strategy. I know that this would have been a very high probability setup if it were to occur within my session, but due to the fact that it occurred without or outside of my session, excuse me, I know that the probability of this setup playing out is much lower, and therefore I did not take the trade, and therefore I just skipped this pair completely. But yeah, guys, looking at the moment, it isn't really that clean anymore on gold. Looking at kind of this expanding pattern, which we have over here, maybe take a fake out on the lows once again before moving up higher. Let's see, not really interested in gold at the moment until we form some new price action. Let's say we start breaking out of this downward trend in towards the lows, break up higher, create a trend switch, and then look for potential longs. That's probably what I'll be waiting for. Nothing much for the rest. Still just waiting for 1823 to get hit for potential shorts back down in towards the lows. So yeah, that was all for today, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to join the Discord server. Link is in the description down below. Thank you all for watching as per usual. Thank you for your support, and I can't wait to speak to you all very soon in the Discord server. Thanks, guys.